PG&E is backlogged with hundreds of damaged or destroyed pieces of equipment, causing a lot of outages for hundreds of thousands of customers system-wide. Want to give you now a latest look at the outage map affecting the Bay Area. And PG&E says more than 32,000 customers are without power on the peninsula. More than 6,000 are out in the South Bay, and other scattered outages throughout San Francisco, the North Bay, and East Bay, adding up to more than 40,000 customers affected.
KTVU's Tom Vakar joining us now live from South San Francisco, where many people are dealing with damage and inconvenience. Tom?
Well, what I've just learned is something brand new. Up until a little while ago on this block, in this neighborhood, there were 133 homes that were without power. They're now down to just 13 homes. But this home, unfortunately, has been red tagged, and this home is going to be a long time being repaired. A 150-foot tall tree fell on a South San Francisco hillside home Tuesday about 2 p.m. It took out a power pole and the line that serves 134 homes. It was just one of 78 fallen trees throughout the system that took out 611 transformers and 113 power poles.
We are seeing a lot more impact from droughts with dead and diseased trees.
Winds blowing as hard as 60 miles an hour pushed limbs and whole trees onto power lines and electrical equipment, cutting electricity to more than 400,000 homes system-wide, 100,000 in the Bay Area. Hardest hit, the peninsula. More mutual aid crews are on standby since this is only really the beginning.
We've got more wind coming in. Obviously today a little less intense than yesterday, and then obviously in the days to come we have some rain to follow and some very low elevation snow.
Now the root ball of this tree you can see is completely dry, and yet the wind was able to blow it over. Imagine if rains soak the ground, and if there's the weight of snow on trees, how many more are likely to fall over, not just from wind, from literally their own weight. Another tree, immediately behind the one that fell here, now sits precariously perched, waving in the high winds, and must be taken down before the new pole and line can be replaced.
We have seen a lot of the trees come down, so I would definitely say that we're worried.
In fact, PG&E is in full recovery mode. The utility's Emergency Operations Center, as well as local PG&E's emergency centers, are activated in impacted regions. They direct crews and materials to optimize restoration efforts.
System-wide, we have over 500 electrical crews alone working. That is every crew in our system.
Now you got to remember, this is not on PG&E, this is on Mother Nature, because these are truly what you would call acts of God or acts of nature. Mutual aid is on standby if there's a lot of Bay Area snow, or if there's a monster storm up in the foothills, which means they would have to move a lot of those crews up there. Very much a work in progress. Tom Vakar, KTVU, Fox 2 News.
Okay, Tom, thank you for the update from there.